Yeah, okay. Good morning to everyone. I'm called Meno Rochnel. Today I will take some few minutes to present you my article 3, which consists of modeling of heavy metal transport along the Lom River in the mining site of Kankobon in the Adamawa, Cameroon. Here, let me present to you the abstract. In the present study, the transport of heavy metals along the Lom River in the gold mining site of Kankobon is modeled and analyzed. We know that here water samples are systematically collected and characterized to know the concentration of the heavy metals. Here, our main metals that we'll be focusing on will be lead, mercury, cadmium, and astatite. The modeling of the transport of these heavy metals in the surface of water described by the one-dimensional elevation dispersion suction equation. This governing the equation is solved analytically by use Laplace form and by applying Roche-Coutin method. Here are some the experimental result revealed by the concentration. That means the concentration of lead, astatite, and cadmium, which is, as you guys are saying, respectively. You have the concentration of all these elements respectively. Then let me introduce my work here as the introductive part. We have water resources have always been an essential in the evolution and organization of human societies. Population growth, urban expansion, industrialization, consumption, and changes in the energy structure are driving increased demand for fresh water. We know that we can't do without water. Here, our main objective here is to study the model and analyze the transport of heavy metals along the Lom River. Secondly, evaluate the heavy metals pollution in the surface water, and lastly, compare the analytical and numerical results to the experimental data. The study is not limited to solve the model only analytically or numerically, but experimental data were collected in order to determine if the model approaches reality. That's also our objective, to determine if it coincides with the reality. After, we can then proceed to our materials and the method used. Here, samples were taken during the month of May at 8 points. You go at point 1, collect each sample, point 2, 3, right up to 8. Water samples were taken in 0.5 liter polyethylene bottles at 50 centimeters from the surface, 50 centimeters from the surface water. All samples taken were carefully labeled and stored at the temperature of 4 degrees Celsius in a cooler until they were transported to the laboratory for analysis. The parameters analyzed were pH and heavy metals, that is, the parameters of lead, astatite, cadmium, and mercury. The choice was made on these metals because they are very dangerous and no physiological function on the human organism. The pH was measured using a profiling multi 3320 pH meters. The analysis of pH was carried out in the laboratory of Geochemical and Water Analysis of Geochemical and Mining Research Institution of Yaoundé. Okay. Then we proceed to the mathematical modeling of heavy metals transport. Here comes to the flow of water along the Lom River, that is the flow rate along the Lom River. The mining value of flow velocity measured the sampling point is considered and the water level is horizontal. The slope of the bed, we know that the slope of the bed of the river is obviously small, so the cosine of the angle between the level of the bed and the horizontal is unity. The liquid is considered incompressible and the cross-section is rectangular. The hydrostatic distribution of pressure is valid if the vertical acceleration is small, that is, the variation of the surface with distance is gradual. The distribution of transverse speed is considered uniform. A mass of contaminant released continuously in the long river is spread as it moves downstream. This is due to the diffusion caused by the random movement. Then they popularly use here to go about this. We have to use the popular use addition dispersion equation. That is the ADE for one-dimensional transport. This is given by the following equation. We have here equation 1 using the law of mass convection and fix. Then equation 2, as you guys can see, we know that here C is the concentration of heavy metals measured in milligram per liter. T is the time, X the distance, X the distance along the direction of the flow in kilometers, then V the velocity in kilometers per second, D the dispersion coefficient in kilometers square per seconds. Here we move on to our experimental result. You know that the results of the field measurements and the determination of pH and heavy metals concentration in collected water sample are presented in this subsection. We have the values measured along the section of the Long River length of 10 km will be as summarized. We have here the surface of water of acid. That is our main objective here. Is then we take our values, our experimental values, then go about this. Then we go to our software EMS design, then implement those values in our software. By doing that, we obtain this. These are the results obtained by implementing our values in our software. We obtain these values, then these are the graphs obtained, our result obtained. You know that by implementing it, we have the concept. We obtain our concentration of each element to know if it can be easily transported or not, to determine the concentration of each samples. That was our main objective. Then we move on to our conclusion. In this study, we know that the transport of heavy metal along the Long River in the Gordie mining site of Kamgobol, the Adamawa, Cameroon, was modeled and analyzed. Water sample was collected and chemical analyzed in order to determine the concentration of lead. Then, upon all our results, we finally obtain each concentration of our element. This model was solved as I earlier said. We use the Runge-Kutta method in time and the Laplace transform to go on to solve this problem. Then the experimental result are shown, that is the concentration of lead ranges from this to this, from 0.00272 to 0.0054 milligram per liter respectively. Here comes to the end of my article. Thanks for your kind attention.